Cable deck railing delivers a stunning, timeless look that keeps your backyard views open and clear while enhancing your outdoor space entirely. Installing cable railing can seem complicated and confusing at first, with so many different fittings and hardware available. No worries. Feeney Cable has simplified the cable railing system so much that anyone from a first-time builder to a professional contractor can create a beautiful cable system in an afternoon with Feeney CableRail Kits. These kits include all of the hardware, fittings, and cable you'll need to install a complete run of wire, all in one easy package. Here are the straightforward steps to installing a Feeney CableRail Kit and getting your deck railing project on its way. First, make sure that your end posts are at least 3 inches away from your home or wall to allow easy access for attaching cable end fittings. Feeney recommends evenly spacing your cables no more than 3 inches apart to meet building code and keep your cable railing strong and secure. With all of your posts drilled through and ready, insert the threaded terminal into one end of your first post and secure with the included snug grip washer nut. From there, lace the free end of the cable through all the line posts and intermediate pickets in your run. We recommend using the lacing needle tool to prevent cable strands from catching on the sides of the post or picket openings and to thread cable quicker. After lacing your stainless steel cable through all the remaining posts and then through your terminating post, remove the lacing needle tool and slide a Quick Connect SS fitting onto the cable. Pull the cable through the Quick Connect fitting to remove any excess slack and get a tight feel. One way to make this step easier is to use a spare block of wood and a pair of pliers. Place the block of wood under the cable and, using it for leverage, grip the cable with the pliers until it is as taut as desired. There are 2 ways to tighten your cable and get it to the tension level you need. You can use the cable tensioning tool by adjusting the tension level, setting the tool, and then applying pressure directly to each run of wire. If you don't have the free space to use the tension tool, you can also tighten the cable by spinning the snug grip washer nut via a wrench instead. When tensioning, begin on the center run and then alternate tensioning upper and lower runs of cable until you are finished. Then, using Feeney CableRail cable cutters, trim the excess cable as close to the Quick Connect fitting and snug grip washer as possible. Polish off your installed cable runs with either colored or stainless steel end caps for a finishing touch. These end caps will snap directly onto your snug grip washers and Quick Connect fittings for an attractive look that also covers and protects your cable hardware. Feeney CableRail is a contemporary railing system that can heighten your deck style while adding security and maintaining a gorgeous view from your home. Stunning enough for a professional, simple enough for a do-it-yourselfer, Feeney CableRail is in stock and available for you, right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hello, Zach at DecksDirect. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, or comment. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.